And welcome in e-learning classes. I hope you all are good and healthy. So let's start today's class in the series of learning program. Today we will learn about data type. Students, the topic data types is very important for all the programming languages. You are learning Python, various students are learning C, C++, Java, and any programming language which is available. In every programming language, data types topic is very important. First, make it very clear what is data type. Student, suppose you have to keep information of a student. Why I am taking example of student? Because you all are student and you know when you are going to get admission in a school, which kinds of information you give to school. First, you give your name, your parents' name, your address. Sometimes you give your age, your contact number, and many more details you give. Just try to find data type in this information. Student, name cannot be like 1, 2, 3, 4. It is sequence of alphabet. Yes, student, sequence of alphabet. For example, Ravi, which containing 4 alphabet. Parents' name, maybe Mr. or Mrs. Gupta. This is also containing various alphabets. Address, maybe MIG 24 Gorakhnath, Gorakhpur. Student, sometimes it can be mix up of alphabet and numbers. Age, maybe you belongs to 8 years or sometime 8.5, 10.5. So two kinds of number available, without point and with point. And contact number, no doubt कि it is without point number, maybe 9345, whatever something is there. So student, in the detail you can find various kinds of data which is available. And for the beginners, those who are learning Python, there are various data types, but for the beginner, 3 basic data type. Yes, student, make a notes. Basic data type. So basic data type for the beginners is introduced, or these are of 3 kinds. First, second, third. First, it is called int, and int completely known as integer. Yes, student, it is that integer which you are familiar with in learning maths of class 9th and 10th. Second point, it is float, F-L-O-A-T, float. First data type is int, second data type is float, and third data type is str. Str is known as string. So student, these 3 data type I am going to explain. Int, it is a number without having point, without having decimal. Float, it is also number with the point. So what is different between them? Suppose you have to write a roll number of a particular student. Roll number. So can roll number be of any number which belongs to decimal point, or we can say that 7.5? Never. Roll number is a kind of data in which only plain number will be there, and that plain number belongs to integer, where no fraction parts, where no decimal point is available. Second, float. These are the numbers which have point, which have decimal. And what are STR? STR is string. STR is string. String are group of alphabet. As you can see in Ravi, as you can see Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, as you can see in address. String is group of alphabets as well as numbers and few symbols also. So student, just go through this video. In next video, I'll explain about int, about float and about str. I hope this video will help you to learn about data type. Go through this data which I have given to all. And one request from my side, please subscribe my channel. This is today's class. Thank you. Good luck.